I know I've opened with my videos like right here for the last 2 videos, but I think we're finally done with the hot tub, other than putting it back together. I've got the new pump running. I've got the new Balboa 501Z or something like that, I don't remember. And it's all piped in, and it's all working. It's at 100 degrees, so I think that's it for the hot tub. But that's not what I'm working on today. Since I have to work today at 3 o'clock, and it's 11:40 already, I figured I'd get this vending machine pretty much done and start working on the next one. So that's what I'm gonna do. This one is completely ready to go, except for this lock.
Well, 3 o'clock came a lot quicker than I was expecting. So, where's my phone? I don't know where my phone is. So I wasn't able to get any of this done, but I can get to that tonight at 11 o'clock when I get off work.
I just got off of work, just clocked out, and I am headed to go get some food. It is dinner time and a half. We got the red machine all lit up. Let's close it up so I can show you. There we go. Looking good. That's the second machine. That one's done. That's the second machine done. Needs a little bit of cleaning on the outside. Now, start working on this machine. Alright guys, 1:30 in the morning. I am done for the night. These things are pretty clean. I didn't get the sodas out of there. I'm getting kind of tired, so I think I'm gonna hit the bed. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing and clicking that bell. Only a few more days left of getting daily videos from me, so look forward to the next few. I'll see you guys tomorrow.